Before diving in, don't forget to subscribe and tap that like button to keep up with the latest stories. Have you ever wondered what happens when a quiet life collides unexpectedly with chaos? Jillian Triner's story is exactly that, a mix of art, fame, and an intense encounter with law enforcement that shocked more than just her neighborhood. Um, Jillian isn't just any author, she's a spoken word artist with a remarkable past, from her life in a royal harem to interviewing one of America's most infamous serial killers. Uh, Married to Weezer's bassist Scott Schreiner, her world seemed worlds apart from the headline grabbing incident she recently became part of. Uh, the scene unfolded when LAPD officers chasing a suspect linked to a hit and run found themselves at Jillian's home. What started as a routine pursuit quickly escalated. Body cam footage shows officers drawing their weapons, repeatedly ordering Jillian to put down her gun. The tension is palpable as commands fly over the din of helicopters and voices. Despite the officers' warnings, the situation spiraled into gunfire. Fortunately, Jillian survived the shooting. Um, um, just like surveillance from her own property reveals her stepping outside armed, inspecting the presence of police near her backyard. Uh, Later, she retreated back indoors after being injured. Uh, well, the band Weezer carried on with their Coachella performance. The incident took a serious legal turn. Jillian was charged with attempted murder of a police officer, posting a hefty $1 million bail after hospital treatment. Life storylines can take wild twists. Who knew a literary figure could become part of a police standoff? Um, Maybe now she writes stories that are truly bulletproof. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.